Have you been diagnosed with osteopenia or osteoporosis? Been told you should exercise, but still unsure of the right exercise to pick or what you should be doing? Hi, I'm Hamish Gorman from Urobital Exercise Physiology, and I'm here to talk to you about osteoporosis and which exercise can make a big difference to your bone strength. So first off, understanding osteoporosis. It's a decline in the bone mineral density or the bone strength. We can think of it that way. And this happens normally as we age, but when we get to a certain point, we like to call it osteopenia. As it gets a little bit worse, we call it osteoporosis. Maintaining bone strength is really important to reduce fracture risk and limit the risk of a fall going bad. So, when we think about exercise, traditionally there's two main types that we think of. Aerobic endurance training, things such as cycling and swimming, or resistance training exercise, things that happen in the gym, like squats, sit to stands, or lifting some weights. Now, I'm going to introduce a third type of training here today, and that's impact training. So impact training is things that cause a little bit of a jarring sensation, and they can be like heavy stepping or small jumping. Now, that gives us three things to play around with. Aerobic endurance training is really good for your heart, your lungs, your breathing, and even your muscles. However, it doesn't have as good an impact on your bone strength. Resistance training is really good for your muscles, your strength, and your power, so being able to move strongly and quickly. And it does have an impact on your bone strength, especially if we're able to bring the weight up a little bit higher and really challenge our system. However, impact training has been shown to be one of the most effective ways to train to improve your bone mineral density and decrease the risk of having a fracture if you do happen to fall. So what we want to do when designing an exercise program for osteopenia or osteoporosis, we want to use a combination of resistance style exercises and impact style exercises to get the most bang for your buck and get the most benefit for your bone strength. So, implementing strength training, impact training into your program will help reduce the risk of your osteoporosis getting worse. If you have any questions or are unsure how to implement those things in your training, please feel free to comment below, send us a message, or get in touch so that we can help you out. Thanks heaps, guys.